welcome back to my channel. I have another haul for you guys. This time is from Old Navy, so let's take a look. I'm gonna put this bag here, my little chair. So we got this shirt, a medium size for my son, a nice basketball with like palm trees and the ocean. Then he picked out this one, the Mario Game Changer, in all red. This one is kind of a big size 10. It is big, but it was only $8.99. It was on clearance, so we decided to pick this one up. For pants, these are the like black. We also have these, the camouflage karate slim adjustable waist. So those are the pants that I like. Size 7. These are my favorite. Now we have this polka dot. I like picking out shirts that will go with everything pretty much. Black pants or some shorts, some jeans. This one is also size 6 and 7. That is the small size, and it has the rainbows. This one is long sleeve. Here are the pants, kind of like the Old Navy pants. These are the stretchable ones. These are size 6 and 7. They're the small ones. I have also this one, a gray one with giraffes and flamingos and zebras. And this one's also the stretch one from 6'7", the size, and the palm trees. It's cute. We also have a black one, which you can never go wrong with black pants. And this one have the build and touch stretches, and at the bottom it has these things here. So that one's pretty cool. This is really nice. This one can go with that polka dot shirt. Also, this long sleeve shirt, the size 6 and 7, small, long sleeve. This one is a bigger size. This one is a large 10-12, and it stretches, and it's just pink with white polka dots. This one will be for my oldest. Also some jeans, some Rockstar jeans, size 14. I have the distress right here, only on one side. And then on the back, doesn't have anything. In the front, they only have on one leg. And then they have this little small one up here. This one will be for my oldest one. Picked up another shirt, long sleeve with the rainbows. And this one is for the oldest one, which is size 10. Yep, 10-12, the largest one. So with rainbows. This one is the large size, purple with rainbows. Someone really likes rainbows. And this one is a very cute shirt. Let me see, a blouse. This one's for the oldest one, 10, 12, large one. So pretty. Flowers with red, like that. Super cute. This one is the large one. Black, all black with just unicorns on them. And we also have the pink one, light pink with the girl power and some rainbows and actually girls skateboarding on them. And then last but not least, a gray shirt. And this is for my oldest one, large. It says love will find a way with the unicorn. So stinking cute. And this one is a short sleeve. I hope you enjoy my haul. This is all the clothes that we're getting for our kids for back to school. They start school tomorrow, so we can't wait for that. So I will see you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I am Daisy, and I will talk to you on my next video. Bye!